YouTube, it's your girl Marina. I am back with another BBL update. So as y'all can read by the title, I'll be just giving y'all a couple of tricks and tips on how to maintain that BBL honey from week 1 all the way to week 8, y'all, because it's a long process, and those weeks after that 3rd week, it goes by super fast. So y'all want to watch this, honestly, because this is how I kept my results, how they were, in a perfectly good shape. Only thing that I lost was swelling. So I'm gonna give y'all the tips that I use to maintain my fat, keep my fat on, keep my hips where they are. My hips are back at a 47, y'all, so I've been maintaining my weight pretty good. So stay tuned and let's get into it. So the first one on my list would be focus on your post-op care. Make sure you're good. Make sure your massages are A1. Make sure you are drinking at least 2 liters of water per day. Making sure you're feeding that fat. You do not want to get a BBL and then it doesn't look like you have a BBL. Like, make sure you keep up with your post-op care, period. And I know some people probably fall short after their BBL. They might not have the money for their massages, but like I always stress it to you guys, make sure you have somebody that can do you a massage, because those massages are very important. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts. Also, feeding that fat, that's secondly important too. Make sure you're eating the right fats. Fish, let me see, y'all. Yep, so fish, salmon, any fatty meats, you know, beans, lean, all of that. Just all the good healthy fats to eat. So my step 2 will be 0 pressure on your butt and hips. So no sitting, no nothing. Do not sit. Only time you should be laying on your butt is when you're in your massages and you're laying for 10 to 15 minutes on a body pillow. Do not lay without a body pillow at all from 1 day post-op to 8 weeks. Your 8-week post-op mark, you can start sitting with your BBL pillow or your body. That's when you should start sitting. I know some people have to go back to work early, so if you do, go ahead and just wear your sit on your BBL pillow and body. I'm sorry, y'all, my phone is going crazy. So that's step 2. Just a little tip that I did. I didn't go back to work for 6 weeks, and like, we had to be on camera, so I was sitting because I work from home, but I was up and moving around once we got off camera, so it was pretty cool. And now I am 8 weeks. Well, I was 8 weeks last week. I'm 9 weeks this Friday. So your girl is able to sit, honey. So my next video, I might be sitting and recording. So that's another one. So my 3rd one would be wear the right clothing. Y'all, do not wear nothing tight. Please wear loose fitting clothes, dresses, gowns. Nothing too tight. I did wear tights like around 4 weeks post-op. You're not gonna be comfortable enough to wear nothing tight. Don't wear no jean shorts. Don't be out of your faja, period. So you shouldn't even be wearing jean booty shorts at all. Nothing that's gonna compress on that booty. Do not wear it. Okay, y'all, so my 4th one will be focus on healing that body. Do not rush the process. Trust the process. Don't say around your 3rd week post-op you ready for round 2. You have to trust your process all the way to 6 weeks and 6 months, I'm sorry, and people always say that. So do not rush that process. Focus on healing, resting, and getting your body back on track. You did just go through a traumatic surgery, so make sure you are healing. Make sure you're not on social media. Take a social media cleanse, because sometimes you'll see stuff on social media that'll deter your spirits. So social media cleanse. Make sure you're drinking water. Make sure you're walking around, and make sure you're just being healthy and healing. My next step will be exercise that body, honey. Y'all, so okay, we can't start exercising until around 4 weeks, they say on the paper, but it's up to you and your body. So most definitely listen to your body. Don't jump off into exercising, because it's crazy. You'll be sore, and we just don't have time for all that. So do write down an exercise plan, but don't start until you're able to start back. I started back at 4 weeks, and now that I'm 9 weeks, I can go full force into working out. So my next one will be a healthy diet. Y'all, I already told y'all which ones to do, the fatty foods, fish, and all of that. And I did high in healthy fat. It helps your body absorb vitamins and minerals, and it promotes that cell growth. You do want those cells to grow so it can attach to that new booty that you just got on your new hips or whatever. So y'all, honestly, make sure you are eating fats. Other than the meats, we have the avocados, nuts, fish, eggs, cheese, and like full fat yogurt. So eat those, and I do still eat all of that, y'all. I just got done eating 2 boiled eggs, and I drank a protein shake this morning, and it is 9 a.m. So that's my morning meal. Or if I don't do eggs, I do like a protein shake, a high protein shake, like at least 250 calories, because I mix a lot of stuff in it. So yeah. Y'all, so my next one will be stay alert for infections. And I put emphasis on that because you do not want an infection. You do not want to get sick after your surgery. You do not want anything to disrupt your healing process. I had so many surgery sisters that got sick and lost results, lost fat, because they had to lay directly on their fat after surgery, y'all. And it sucks because they pay all this money and it's like, my fat is gone, and they're in the hospital for 2-3 weeks. I know somebody was in the hospital for a month plus. Results just done with. Like, you do not want that to be you. So make sure you're cleaning that faja, cleaning those incisions, taking the vitamins that they're giving you. I think they get not vitamins, they gave you antibiotics, but do buy like total cleanse, lymphatic stuff. Buy all of that, y'all, so you can honestly promote the healthiest healing process ever. You do not want to lose those results. It's too much money, and I'm just gonna be real about that. So my next one will be prepared for that BBL to shrink slightly though. And I say this to say, because y'all, of course, the first day post-op, you're gonna be swole as ever, booty gonna be on fat, gonna look like you got round 2 if you never had booty. And if you had Duke, of course it's gonna look like Nicki Minaj booty. No, that is not gonna be the booty that you keep. Trust me, okay? I even had a big booty, and y'all seen it. If y'all didn't see it, click off this video and go and watch that first BBL vlog, and then come back. I had a swole booty, and I was like, oh, he put too much in there. Like, I didn't ask him for all that. So I was just kind of like, I don't know, you know. But the whole time, y'all, the whole time I was just really swollen, and you know, all that. Didn't keep it. Was excited because now, like how my Duke looks, it fits my body. Like, everything matches. You don't want nothing that's too like big over the top if you never had a big booty. Of course, people do, and I respect them for that, because some people actually go to their doctors and ask for vixen looks. Me, I'm just not that girl. I didn't want a vixen look at all. So, and that's fine. That's your body, your preference. So, but literally. And I'm going to tell y'all why the swelling, because I actually researched this stuff before surgery, so your girl know a lot. So this why you lose a little fat or whatever, or swelling. And it's basically because of inflammation from fat grafting. Basically, the doctor putting the fat into a different like cell. So that's major. So honestly, you just got to be prepared for that fluffing stage around 1 to 6 months. So yeah, keep feeding that fat, and you're gonna fluff out really pretty. Do not sit on that fat, and you're gonna fluff out really, really pretty. Like, don't do nothing to jeopardize losing that fat. Don't let nobody hit it. Nobody still haven't smacked my booty, and it's like 9 weeks post-op. I can now touch it without it feeling weird. My hips as well. I feel like if somebody like smack it, like I just smacked it, it does hurt, but it didn't hurt like it did before. Don't let nobody do none of that until 8 weeks post-op, y'all. Don't do nothing until 8 weeks post-op, literally. Only thing you need to be doing is feeding that fat, drinking water, 2 liters a day, and getting your massages. Simple as that. I had lost the train of thought, y'all. So I have 2 more tips for you guys. So my next one will be, y'all, sleep on your stomach. I know it might be hard. Get a donut, little boppy. Get a pregnancy pillow. Get something to where you won't roll. And me, I roll, I toss and turn, I sleep wild. So seriously, that pregnancy pillow came in handy. Like, it worked so good because I roll, and me not being able to roll, I would like roll a little like on my side, but I didn't hit the hip. So that was perfect. Do not sleep on your back at all. You probably can toss and turn. I would say you can twist and turn after 4 weeks, like kind of laying on there for 30 minutes, but please don't fall asleep on your back. Just don't do that. 8 weeks is when you can do all of that moving and sleeping on your back or whatever you want to do. After 8 weeks, you're fine. The cells should be established. But before, no. Like, you're still prone to lose fat. My last one would be to you guys is, y'all, please do not smoke, do not drink until 5 weeks after your surgery. And it's just like, don't go in full force trying to drink heavy. At least 2 shots or just 1 margarita drink. I drank something, I want to say, my 5th week, and it was like a margarita drink, and I didn't swell up at all. Don't do any hookahs, don't smoke, no cigarettes, none of that until after 8 weeks. By all means, do what you do after 8 weeks. But before, please hold out as much as you can, because you did have to hold out in the beginning, because before surgery, you had to stop everything 40 to 30 days before. So what is 2 or 3 more months, and then you had the dream body that you always dreamed of. Like, just hold off on everything, y'all. And honestly, that's pretty much all I had to say in this video. I just wanted to give y'all a couple of little tips. Follow those steps, and I promise you'll have the best results as possible. Also, Google tips and tricks. Pinterest, Instagram, y'all know the girls be serving us tea. So definitely stay tuned. I am going to show y'all a clip because I was modeling for my sister boutique. I feel like this is the shape that's going to carry on with me. I'm pretty much out of the losing fat cells stage. So stay tuned for the clips that I'm about to post. And if y'all haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Definitely turn on those post notification bells on, because baby, I'm gonna be dropping. I already got everything planned out. I already got my next video set up, so just stay tuned. I'm just gonna try to drop every other Friday, if not on a Friday, maybe like a Thursday, Saturday type of day. So just turn on those post notifications so you won't miss an alert from me. Also, like I always tell y'all, definitely DM me, comment down below if y'all have any questions. Y'all have my Instagram and the link down below. So get into the next clip. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.
I love it.